Welcome to Amateur Investing. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make an extra $1,000 every month. Really, Richard? $1,000 every month? Yes, really. But before we get started, can you please press that like button down below? Can you please smash that like button down below? Can we please obliterate this like button? Do it. Do it now. Do it. Do it now. Hey, thank you for hitting that like button. And if you're new, do you want to go ahead and subscribe? Do it. Do it now. Subscribe, please! So I did not make up this method. I found it online, and probably lots of people have talked about it, but it is a genuine way to make an extra $1,000 a month. And it's not a flat rate. It's not a guaranteed $1,000 a month. It could be $100 a month. It could be $100 a day. It could be $1 million in a year. It depends on how much money you have and how much money you spend. So the way it works is very simple. You just need to take one more thing into consideration whenever you buy something. Essentially, when you're buying a product that is not a necessity, you need to think to yourself, how much money is this worth, and would I rather just be given this in cash instead? Now, this is a very simple mindset shift that can change your life in a big way. Think about Starbucks. When's the last time you went to Starbucks? Last time I went was with my girlfriend on the way back from the beach. Guess what I got? 2 coffees and nothing else. Guess how much it cost me? $12. Now, to take this a step further, let's look at your occupation. When I was a substitute teacher a few years back, I was making about $12 an hour. That means for 2 cups of coffee that we finished in maybe 20 minutes, it would have cost me a whole extra hour of work. Now, would I rather have 2 cups of coffee? Or would I rather have $12? Or you can be more complicated. Do I want to go to a gas station, get 2 coffees for $4, and then I'll have $8? Now, with things like coffees, this is small, but it can add up in a big way. But what's more important is those luxury purchases that you tend to impulse buy. Are you a sneakerhead? When's the last time you bought a pair of sneakers? How much did you spend for it? $50? $100? $200? And how many times did you end up wearing them? Maybe twice if you're trying to keep them nice? Now think about the last time you had an important bill or a payment to make, or you want to get someone a gift. How nice would it have been to have that extra $200 lying around? That's really where the power in this lies. Now this is a bit of an extreme example, but let's say I get breakfast on the way to work, lunch on my break, and then dinner on the way back home. And let's also say I needed coffee in the morning, so I went to Starbucks on the way to work and got a coffee too. What is that, like $30 a day? $40 a day? That adds up quick. And when you really think of all the ways you can apply this strategy, and if you really stack them on top of each other, $1,000 a month is not unreasonable. Alright, so that's the video. It's a little different than what I usually do here. Leave a comment below if you liked it. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you tried this and if it worked for you. And let me know if you want to see more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.